Hi friends. So today I'm going to talk about the technological explosion that has taken place during the last 500 years uh, and see what are the what is the basis for it. So the first instance in this book which refers to technologies on this planet resembling the technologies in the other old empire planets is here. Here it starts with the domain explaining how they entered into this area of the galaxy and so on, and how they conquered the whole of the planets. Then they say the current US civilization is beginning to mimic some of the trappings of that civilization, especially in the design of airplanes, automobiles, ships, trains, and telephones. We will refer to the telephone one later, that's important one. Likewise, buildings in the cities of Earth that are thought to be modern or futuristic in their design resemble the architecture of the old empire. So I will refer to the second instance. Here, where it is mentioned that very recently Earth civilization has come to resemble aspects of the civilization now that it has fallen out of its immediate control. In particular, the appearance of and technology of transportation such as planes, trains, ships, fire engines, and automobiles, as well as that you consider to be modern or futuristic architecture, emulate the design of buildings in the major cities of the old empire. So this shows that there is a big similarity between the buildings there and here, and we have to examine how did the ISBs on Earth remember these technologies. Um, so for that we can check we have to go to the end of the book where there's a mention of Shiva and Parvati telling the domain that an SB can occupy more than one body at the same time. Uh, it's, their research revealed that SBs can occupy and operate more than one body at the same time, a fact which was previously thought to be uniquely limited to the officers of the domain. So one example of this fact is that the engineer Shiva was Suleiman the Magnificent, and Parati was Queen Elizabeth and Hurrem Sultan at the same time. So this is let's leave that. So let's come to the technology. So the process of refining steel was invented by the same ISB who was named as Kelly and Bessemer. They both conceive the same process at the same time. This shows that these are the beings under Shiva and Parvati. They are only influencing the technological advancement part of Earth. Another example is Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of telephone, which was invented by several others at the same time, including Elisha Gray, and there are like 10 to 12 other beings, people who have influenced it. You have to check the book Telephone Patent Controversy for that information. So the telephone was conceived concurrently in several locations around the world all at once. So it was done by a single ISB. So these revelations show that how ISBs, especially under Shiva and Padat, are influencing the technology part. It is also mentioned that Nikola Tesla, right? He also is a domain ISB. Uh, he influenced uh, he tried to in his off time he tried to bring technologies to earth. So that is also mentioned here. Now let us talk about something also important, like there were other scientists like Gutenberg, who was famous for the invention of the printing press, and a lot of other technologies. Was the domain thought that uh, was due to his bees are not automatically remembering things. As what only when we come to the later part of the book involving Shiva and Parvati, we realize that it's because of the beings who work with them, work with Shiva Parvati, that those beings are influencing humanity, and thus we get to the revelation that the technology which has been exploding on the planet for the last 500 years, especially last 100 or 50 years, now which is currently space travel and internet, all of these things are being influenced by them. So that's what I want to talk in this video. Hope you find it helpful and useful. So continue making topics regarding the Roswell document. Thank you.